Namaste everyone, this is me Tanvi Jagdish. That's Rohana Suvarna over there. Welcome for Cuddle Akka Subs of India. Today we are going to be answering all the questions a beginner surfer or a beginner stand-up paddle would have in his mind before enrolling to a surf lesson. So we did a small survey in our Instagram accounts of mine, Subs of India, and we got a lot of questions from you guys before you get into a surf lesson. So let's roll in! Yes, you all can learn surfing and stand-up paddling. It's all in the interest. If you're interested to learn surfing or stand-up paddling, and the ocean is yours. Yes, you still can learn surfing and stand-up paddling if you don't know how to swim. We will take all the precautions so that you're safe with us in the water. Point number 1, we are going to give you life jackets and all the safety gadgets which comes with the sport when you're going surfing and stand-up paddling. Point number 2 is, when you are a new person wearing a life jacket on, we'll make you like go for a swim session, so that you get used to your life jacket and to the water. And the main thing is, guys, we're ISO certified and ILS rescue. So you're in your safe hands, guys. So let's start with men first. So I would prefer you wear a long surf shorts, like at least knee length, and rash guard, like full hand. And girls, make sure to get a good sports bra, a rash guard, and a shorts which is of knee length and full hand. Why I'm specifying more about your knee length and full hand sleeve for rash guard? Because when you're surfing, you are a beginner surfer, so you're going to have a lot of wipeouts when you're surfing. You're going to fall into the sand. So just to make sure that you're not going to get rashes, we'll recommend you guys to wear full sleeve, and at least even full pants are okay. But as for the comfort, I'll ask you to wear shorts. So this will keep you more safe in the water and you'll make sure you have lots of fun. First, make sure to carry beach towels. Second, your extra pair of clothing. Third, shampoo and conditioner because your hair gets super frizzy. Fourth point is, get a reusable bottle so that you don't buy plastic bottles in the beach, guys. And fifth point is sunscreen. Sixth, hats on. Here is Tanvi Jagdish. So I will be teaching you surfing and stand-up paddling at Cuddle Center for Subsurf Yoga. And I'm ISO certified and ILS rescue for surfing and stand-up paddling in India. Surf gears and stand-up paddling gears. All the safety equipments included in the sport. Speech lesson with the instructor, water session with the instructor. We have minimalistic accommodation facilities at our surf place. But then if you want to have like a bigger place or a beach house, there's so many beautiful places near our surf school. So you can contact us more and we'll give you more information regarding the same. Cuddle Center for Subsurf Yoga is located over there. This is how our surf break looks like, and we do all our sessions over here. This is our surf school, guys. We coexist at Kaliyoga Cafe, Malpe Beach, Udupi, Karnataka, India. We have a very beautiful beach to learn surfing and stand-up paddling. The beautiful waves, there's no rip currents, no heavy rip currents here, and there's no much rocks. So we generally have a very, very safe environment to learn surfing and stand-up paddling. And before every session, we make sure we do a venue analysis so that you guys are all safe in water, having fun doing surfing and stand-up paddling. Stand-up paddling and surfing can be learned in between 3 to 5 days. So we have 2 types of courses. One's a 3-day course and one's a 5-day course, which is a little advanced and you have to spend more time with us in the water. No, you don't need big waves to learn surfing. You just need a very safe environment and a good waves to just learn surfing. In India, especially in the West Coast, the best season to learn surfing is from September to like early week of May. There's so many beautiful places to see in Udupi, from beautiful treks, from beautiful temples, beautiful beaches, and so much food. And please don't forget, there's so much amazing food to eat here. Don't worry, guys, we're gonna make one more video just to show all these things a little bit in detail in the upcoming days. Please let us know if you have any questions you wanna ask us. We're gonna drop our email ID in the description section. If you found this video informative and it helped you, please make sure to click the thumbs up button over there. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and encourage them to get surfing with you guys. If you're a new person watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button over there so that you don't miss any of our new videos. It will be of great help to us. Don't forget to follow us in our social media, guys. We would love to connect with you guys. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Sol Melu. We'll meet again.